If you are a car detailer, you could be losing thousands of dollars in potential business, people that want their car done by you. We're going to show you a trick on Google that shows you how to pick up thousands of dollars in business because Google has people literally waiting for you. For example, let me show you. Now, we just did a search for car detailers in Las Vegas. Now, this could be any city across the country. This could be San Diego, could be Cleveland, Ohio, could be Newark, New Jersey. Doesn't matter. Okay, it's all pretty similar. Right now, there's over 7,140 people searching a month. Now, people just don't get online and search for car detailing unless they actually want their car done. So these are called buyers in heat. These are people that are ready to take action right now, and they're going to contact a car detailing company. Again, this could be happening in your exact city. So let's just look at some of the search volume here. In April, 9,200 searches, 9,000 searches in March, 6,700 searches in February, 6,200 searches in January. Now, notice that also, if you were to pay per click trying to reach these customers, you would pay over $2 a click. That's not a sale, and that's not even a lead. That's just when someone clicks their mouse. So people can evaporate their ad budgets very quickly. And we're going to show you how you could do it for free instead of paying money here. So I'm not sure if you know this, but Google at the top of the search engine, whether it's on your phone or PC, they always put what they call the map pack. And the map pack sits up top and basically shows businesses right on the front page of Google. Almost everybody scrolls down and clicks on view all. Then you can see all the car detail shops in the area. And let me just show you something here. I'm just going to increase the size of the screen so it makes it easy for you to look here. Now, here's the deal. Amazon.com has taught everybody to read reviews. That's what they've done. No one puts anything in their cart without reading reviews first on Amazon. And now 97% of people read a review before they choose a business. Also, people do not trust reviews that are older than 3 months, and they don't trust reviews where people only have like 10 or 20 reviews. That could be their mother, brother, sister, aunt, uncle. You know, people are too smart for that. But because Amazon has taught people what to look for, Google Maps, because Google owns Google reviews, this is what they love to show. If you look here, they'll show the actual score, 4.8, and then 50 people reviewed this person. So let's say you were looking right now, you have a really nice high-end car, let's say, and you want to get a car detailed. And you pull this up on the map. Would you choose this company right here, or would you want a company with only 9 reviews and 3.7 stars? Does that make you feel comfortable? Probably not. As you scroll down here, even a company that has 145 reviews, they have kind of a low score at 4.0. So what happens is people are looking for this. Now, this one has a lot of reviews, 864. Their score is just a little bit low. But because they have 864 reviews, a lot of people would choose this place just because they can start to read all the reviews versus Desert Star Auto Detail that has 1 review and 3 stars. And so people can go through the map pack and they can instantly see which business they want to go. See, people like to read reviews too because they trust customers more than they trust your business. They like to read review after review after review and make up their decision just like you probably do when you shop for something on Amazon. It is no difference. Well, now here's the deal. What we do is we help businesses like yours get tons of reviews. We just helped a car detailer go from 5 reviews to over 500 in a matter of just a few months because we have a software that helps your customers give you more reviews. Your customers will up that range for you. So when you're over here, when someone comes to the map pack, you could be dominating. You could be the business. When you have over almost 5,000 searches a month for in just this city alone, that's a lot of business that someone's going to get over somebody else. So you don't want all this people that are already looking out there, all this free traffic on Google to go to your competitor when it can go in your pocket, and especially when it is such an easy fix. We help you with Google reviews. It also helps you with search engine optimization, having you rank higher than somebody else on Google. Very, very important. So what we want to do for you is we put together what we call a business report card. We'll look at all your competitors, we'll look at your business, and we come up with a game plan, and we'll show you exactly what we can do, and we can give you a free demo. Now, if this sounds good to you, so you can start cashing in on all this business on Google that should be yours instead of your competitors, then do us a favor. At the top of this website, there's a number. Just text us your name and best time to get back to you, and we'll reach out to you. Or at the bottom, there's a button where you can click email, and you can send us over an email. Again, just add your name, your business name, and best time to get a hold of you, and we'll come up with what we call a business report card and give you all the statistics and show you exactly how we can help you dominate this Google Map pack and have all these customers coming to you instead of your competition.